In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital assets, XBR has emerged as a leader by launching its initial project focused on real-world assets, RWA tokenization. With digital currencies and blockchain technologies advancing, the concept of tokenizing tangible assets is gaining considerable momentum. XBR is leading this innovative movement by integrating RWA into the blockchain ecosystem, aiming to connect traditional asset markets with the expanding digital economy. This integration promises to improve both accessibility and efficiency in asset management. XBR's approach to tokenization brings a new perspective on asset ownership, making investment opportunities available to a broader audience. By leveraging blockchain, XBR enables a more inclusive and transparent asset management system, ensuring that a wider range of investors can participate. The technology allows for secure and immutable records, reducing the risks of fraud and enhancing trust in the market. This method of tokenizing real-world assets involves converting physical items, such as art or real estate, into digital tokens that can be bought, sold, and traded on blockchain platforms. These tokens represent ownership or a share of the asset, allowing for greater liquidity and fractional ownership. Investors can now buy portions of high-value assets without needing substantial capital, democratizing investment opportunities. XBR's dedication to RWA tokenization is also about preserving the intrinsic value of tangible assets, while offering the flexibility and security of digital transactions. This process not only increases the liquidity of traditionally illiquid assets, but also opens up new avenues for investment and portfolio diversification. As the digital economy continues to expand, XBR is poised to play a crucial role in reshaping how assets are owned, managed, and traded. By focusing on real-world applications of blockchain technology, XBR addresses the growing demand for innovative financial solutions that bridge the gap between conventional asset management and the digital frontier. Through its pioneering efforts, XBR is setting the stage for a more inclusive and efficient market where traditional and digital assets coexist and complement each other. Constantin Brâncuși's iconic sculpture, Bird in Space, has been selected for XBR's inaugural tokenization project due to its profound significance in the art world. This sculpture marks a pivotal shift in modern art, with its abstract form challenging the traditional norms of its era. By choosing Bird in Space, XBR underscores the sculpture's lasting impact and its role as a milestone in artistic evolution. The decision to tokenize this particular artwork is rooted in its historical and cultural value, making it an ideal example to illustrate the potential of blockchain technology in the art market. The company owns the Bird in Space polished bronze statue. Tokenizing Bird in Space allows art enthusiasts and investors to engage with this masterpiece in a contemporary digital manner. This project enables a more diverse group of people to appreciate and invest in high-value art pieces, which were previously accessible only to a limited circle of collectors. Tokenization of artworks, such as Bird in Space, democratizes art investment. Instead of requiring substantial capital to purchase an entire artwork, tokenization allows for fractional ownership. This means that multiple investors can own a portion of the artwork, making it more affordable and accessible. It also facilitates diversified investment portfolios, as individuals can invest in multiple pieces without committing large sums of money. In addition to broadening access, tokenization also ensures secure and immutable records of ownership through blockchain technology. This reduces the risks of fraud and enhances trust in the art market. Investors can be confident in the authenticity and provenance of the tokenized artwork, knowing that the records are tamper-proof. By integrating Bird in Space into the digital economy, XBR is leveraging blockchain to preserve the cultural and historical significance of the artwork while enhancing its investment potential. This approach not only increases the liquidity of traditionally illiquid assets, but also provides new avenues for engagement with art. Through this project, XBR is setting a precedent for how other valuable artworks can be brought into the digital realm, expanding the possibilities for both collectors and investors. Tokenizing artworks like Brâncuși's Bird in Space brings several advantages, starting with enhanced accessibility to valuable art pieces. By utilizing blockchain technology, XBR makes it possible for a broader audience to experience and invest in high-value artworks which were previously the domain of a limited group of collectors. This digital approach breaks down traditional barriers and promotes a more inclusive participation in the art market. Another key benefit of tokenization is the potential for fractional ownership. Through this method, investors can purchase shares or tokens of an artwork, allowing multiple individuals to own a fraction of a valuable piece. This democratizes art investment, making it accessible to individuals who may not have the financial means to buy entire artworks outright. Additionally, it enables investors to build diversified portfolios, as they can allocate their resources across multiple art pieces without committing large sums of capital. XBR's pioneering efforts in the RWA tokenization field highlight the transformative potential of blockchain technology. By integrating artworks into the digital economy, XBR preserves their cultural and historical significance while enhancing their investment potential. Tokenization ensures secure and immutable records of ownership, reducing the risks of fraud and bolstering trust in the art market. Investors can be confident in the authenticity and provenance of the tokenized artwork, knowing that the records are tamper-proof. Furthermore, tokenization increases the liquidity of traditionally illiquid assets. Artworks that might otherwise be difficult to sell can now be traded more easily on blockchain platforms. This increased liquidity benefits both sellers, who gain quicker access to funds, and buyers, who find it easier to acquire shares in high-value pieces. XBR's innovative approach also opens up new avenues for engagement with art. By bringing masterpieces into the digital realm, it allows for a modern, interactive experience that appeals to tech-savvy art enthusiasts. This integration of art and technology not only preserves the essence of the artwork, but also offers new ways to appreciate and invest in it. Through these efforts, XBR is paving the way for a more dynamic and inclusive art market, where technology and creativity intersect to create new opportunities for engagement and investment. Stay tuned for more XBR news and make sure you trade the XBR Sol pair in Orca, So and Radium, IO.